Dear students, I have come with a new module, that is Consumer Protection Redressal Agencies. It's part 2. Part 1 I have explained District Commission, and part 2 I will be explaining about State Commission and National Commission. Let us go into the details. Now, State Commission is established as per Section 42 subsection 1 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Now, central government will issue a notification for establishing the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. So here central government has the power to establish regional branches also on a need basis. See, there are some states there are more number of cases. So the central government can take a decision along with the state commission whether they need more branches also. The state commission, how it's constituted, will have one president and not less than 4 members. So this is the thing you have to remember. In the district commission, one president and 2 members. Whereas for state commission and national commission, 1 president and 4 members, at least 4 members. So maximum number of members as required, that the central government can instruct the state government to decide for the smooth functioning of the commission. Whatever depending on the number of cases, the frequency of meetings, the central government can take a decision. So there is no maximum limit for the number of members. They will decide based on the situation. Jurisdiction. If the value of goods and services paid as consideration exceeds rupees 1 crore but does not exceed rupees 10 crores, then the case has to be filed with the state commission. So the complaint has to be filed with the state commission. So district commission up to 1 crore. If it's exceeding 1 crore but up to 10 crore, you have to file the complaint with the state commission. So central government has the power to decide any value other than the usual limit to file complaint with the state consumer commission. So central government has the power. Usual case is 1 crore to 10 crore. The complaint has to be filed with the state commission. But central government has the power to decide any value, whether it has to come to state commission or national commission, if required and decided by the central government. So it's absolutely the central government's decision. They have the power to do that. Also, State Consumer Commission will get appeals from District Commission. So those who are not happy with the verdict of the District Commission, they can file for appeal with the State Commission. Now, powers of the State Consumer Commission. Power to call for records of any consumer dispute, cases already pending before the State Consumer Commission, already pending cases with the State Commission. They can check that, how they can settle. And or the cases decided by the District Consumer Commission, whether the verdict was correct. Or if the State Commission feels that the District Commission has not exercised the jurisdiction vested in it by law, the State Commission will act. So they have more power on the District Commission also. State Commission has the power to shift cases from one District Commission to another. They can decide if one District Commission is not using their jurisdiction properly, then they have the right to shift the case from one District Commission to the next District Commission. This power is granted by Section 48 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So state government can take this decision on its own about changing the case from one District Commission to another, or as per the request filed by the parties. See, sometimes the parties will file, we are not getting justice from this District Commission, so they want to change the case to another District Commission. So the parties are filing a request, but it must serve the purpose of justice. So the only idea or only purpose of shifting the case from one District Commission to another should be to serve the purpose of justice. The parties who have complained, they should get the justice. Now, method of disputing cases. Meetings are presided by the president and at least 1 or more members should be present for the meetings. The number of members to be present for a meeting is decided by the president. So president will, at least 4 members are there in the state commission. 1 or more member will be present and president can decide if more members should be present. State Consumer Commission in disposing cases in the same manner as that of District Commission. I have already explained how District Commission is deciding the cases. So the same manner the State Commission also will decide the cases. Aggrieved party can file an appeal to the National Commission within 30 days. So here you have to remember within 30 days. But the difference in District Commission is they can take 45 days to file the appeal to the State Commission. Here it is restricted to 30 days or receiving the order from the State Commission. The complainant or the opposite party, if they are not happy after getting the verdict from the State Commission, within 30 days, they have to give an appeal to the National Commission. if sufficient reason is given, then the National Commission can accept the plea for approval even after 30 days. So if any extraordinary situation, if the appeal is given after 30 days, so that justification is sufficient to extend the time, then the National Commission will accept the appeal even after 30 days. The person appealing against the order of the State Commission should pay at least 50% of the amount of the order to be paid to the State Commission. So this rule is applicable for District Commission, State Commission and the National Commission. So whoever going for appeal, whatever the fine ordered by the Commission, they have to pay 50% of the fine amount before going for appeal to the Commission, whether it's District Commission, State Commission or National Commission. So appeals will be disposed of within 90 days from the date of admission by the National Commission. So 3 months they will take. Now introduction to National Commission. So we are coming to the National Commission. So central government will establish a National Commission through notification. This is as per section 53 subsection 1 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So National Commission operates in the National Capital Region. So in India it's Delhi. But the central government has the power to appoint regional branches through notification. Just like in the case of State Commission, based on the number of cases on a need basis, the National Commission can have branches also. Now, number of members in the National Commission, 1 president and at least 4 members. So, you have to remember in the case of District Commission, 1 president and 2 members. For State and National Commission, 1 president and 4 members. But the maximum number of members can be prescribed by the central government. The central government has the power to increase the number of members. Now, president and at least 1 member should be present for the meetings. This rule is same for the State Commission also. President can allow more members to be present on the meetings if it's of importance, national importance, anything like that. President can instruct that all the members should be present or more than 2 members should be present for the hearing. So if he feels that, President feels that it's appropriate to include more members, President can decide that. Now, manner of disposing cases. If the value of goods and services paid as consideration exceeds 10 crore, the complaint must be filed with the National Commission. See, for example, if you purchased a land worth more than 10 crore, then if any dispute, that complaint has to come to the National Commission. So, central government has the power to accept even if consideration value is different. So, central government also always have a power to decide whatever is best in the best interest of the situation, provided central government deems it fit to do so. Also, appeals from the State Commission will also be handled by the National Commission. So, District Commission appeals will come to State Commission. State Commission appeals will come to National Commission. Now, powers of the National Commission. National Commission has the power to call for records from District Commission and State Commission and pass appropriate records in any consumer dispute case. Call for the records and verify that pending before the State Commission or already decided by the State Commission. So, State Commission and District Commission are coming under National Commission. They got the right to check that, all the details. If National Commission feels that the State Commission has not acted in the exercise of its jurisdiction, then what they will do? They will call for records and they will take an appropriate decision. Now, method of disposing cases. National Commission disposes in the same manner as that of State Commission. State Commission, we have seen that they are disposing the cases in the same manner as that of District Commission. So, one method of you have to learn how the Consumer Redressal Commission is disposing cases. That procedure is same for District, State and National Commissions. Now, National Commission can review its decision on its own or on the basis of an application filed by one of the parties. If anybody is filing for a request to review that, the decision they have to recheck. So that National Commission will do that. National Commission decisions can go for appeal in the Supreme Court. So District Commission, appeal can come to State Commission. State Commission, appeal can come to National Commission. National Commission, appeals can go to Supreme Court, provided the agreed party has paid 50% of the penalty ordered by the National Commission. So that is compulsory for State, District and National Commission. Whoever going for appeal, whatever the fine ordered by the Commission, 50% of that they have to file with the respective Commission. Then only they can go for appeal. Otherwise, it will consider as they're just wasting the time of the Commission. Appeal should be made within 30 days of receiving the order from the National Commission. So State Commission and National Commission, the time limit for appeal is only 30 days. Whereas in the case of District Commission, the complainant or the opposite party will get 45 days to go for appeal. Now regarding the notice served, how the notice is served. Notices should reach the opposite party. They have to accept that and the court should get a verification that they received that. So what is the procedure? Notice of consumer redressal commissions are sent by registered post with acknowledgement. That meaning the party signing, that's a proof for the court against whom the complaint is made, or by speed post or courier approved by the Consumer Commission. Many number of courier services are there in the country, but Consumer Commission has to approve one courier service. That only they can send for sending the letters. Electronic media can also be used for serving notices, email with an acknowledgement due. Now, what are the powers of National Commission? Monitoring the performance of state and district commissions, because state and district commission are coming under National Commission. Now, right to call for periodical returns from state and district commissions. Then inquiring about the allegations against the presidents of state and district commission. If any information they will get in the social media or in the anybody is writing to the commission, National Commission, the president is not acting or he is not using his power judiciously. So then the National Commission will look into that. National Commission can also request for action to the central government if it's found guilty after the investigation. If the state commission or district commission president or many members, any member, if they are violating their rights or duties, the National Commission will recommend to the central government to take appropriate action. Then National Commission will also see that uniform procedures are followed by the consumer redressal commissions across the country. That is also important. Now, punishment for disobedience of commission orders. What are the punishments? This is provided by Section 72 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Now, what are the disobedience? Failure to comply with the orders of any consumer redressal commission. Say, for example, if somebody is asked to pay the fine, they are not paying. That's a disobedience. Will attract minimum imprisonment for not less than a month, but the imprisonment can go up to 3 years. There will be also a fine. Fine can range between rupees 25,000 to rupees 1 lakh. So the punishment for disobedience can be together also imprisonment and fine. Consumer redressal commissions have the same power as that of judicial magistrate. So this is what I wanted to explain in this video. Happy learning. Thank you.